It sounds pretty cool to think you can make money while you sleep or go about your day. This kind of passive income is really the dream. You get paid without having to do anything at all. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to make money on AutoPilot. The first step is to go to system.io in your browser and establish an account by entering your email address and confirming it. You must now create a password and confirm that you're not a robot and click Save. Once you're in the account, go to this link again to open the website I've shared with you. Once you've reopened it, it will take you to this page that will give you access to the website. You don't need to buy a domain for this because the software already supplies one for free. Once you've imported it to your account, all you have to do is modify the URL route to whatever term you want and click the green button Save. Now, click the small down arrow, then Settings, and click Mailing Settings. Then you need to set a sender's email address, and it needs to be a Gmail. Fill out this form and save it. The next step is to hover your mouse over into Contacts and click on Tags. Then make a new tag with the word you choose, and then click on Campaigns and create a new one with the name you prefer. Hover your mouse over Emails and click on Campaigns. Click the Create button on the top right corner and name it Campaign 1. Then click on Funnels and set an automation rule. You must add a rule, and now you must click the funnel step form to subscribe. Now you need to add an action by clicking Add a Tag, choosing the tag you just set up, and Save Rule. Select Automation Rules again, and this time you click the Funnel Step Form Subscribe. You wish to subscribe to a campaign and want to add another action. Now that you've selected the campaign we just created, let's save this rule. The next requirement for this to work is an offer. You can visit the links I'm showing on the screen. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you one, which is Digistore24. This is the homepage for the website Digistore24. To access it, you must first register an account. Simply click Sign Up Now and they will ask you for an email address, a username, and a password. Once registered, click Marketplace to choose all offers on the affiliate marketplace. When you enter the marketplace, you will be presented with several categories on the left-hand side that you can choose to advertise in for yourself. For each product that you sell, you will earn a commission. For example, I can earn a portion by selling this deal. Because we like finance, let's simply choose finance and investment, and I'll select this crypto deal right here. To demonstrate how it's done, click Promote Now, and it will display your personal affiliate link. You'll make a commission every time someone buys through your affiliate link. Return to the website where you have your funnel and your website. You should now click Funnels at the top, and you'll want to click this little magic wand that says Edit Page. It will launch your website. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Return to your offer, and what you want to do is open the sales page for it, and you can locate the link to open a sales page right now. This is where the sale will be made, and it will be through your link. You don't have to worry about making a sale because the sales page has already been created. What you'll be doing is driving traffic to that page where you'll collect people's emails so that you may reach them in the future without having to pay for advertising. I'm also going to show you how to do that on AutoPilot. So I'm just going to copy and paste this into my website to get people to give me their email address and then take them to this sales page right here where I can make the sale and get the money. I just typed in some stuff to get people to give me their email, and after they enter their email right here and click this, they'll be directed to my affiliate offer. But first, I need to return to my funnel and click the Edit page once again. It will take me to the editing website. Let's click this form right here where it says Email. Just click on it and it will open some options on the left-hand corner. I just confirm if it says Email. That's good. Then you click this button right here where it says Get this amazing thing. Click on it and it should say Send Form. And underneath that, it says To the next step. Click on it and you're going to select to a custom URL because we want to send them to a different website after they click the button. Now, you're going to go back to the affiliate marketplace where you got your offer. You want to get your affiliate link. So let's say my affiliate link is this. I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to input my affiliate link right here where it says Redirection URL. Now what you want to do is click here on the top right corner, Save Changes. Now exit the funnel right here on the top right corner, and then you can click on this blue button to see your funnel. If you click here and input your email and then hit this button, you'll be taken to this website. So I'll click Get this amazing thing. So now we have the email and they have been directed to the offer of the sales page where you can make the sale. You are now creating your own email list so you can reach that consumer in the future, which is fantastic since it's all free. Go back to system.io, and just to make sure that the contact has been saved, click on Contacts. As you can see, he's been tagged with our test1 tag, and when he was tagged, he was also added to our campaign. But we haven't yet added anything to our campaign, and that's what we're going to do now. Hover your mouse over emails and then click Campaigns. We'll go back to our campaign, click on the campaign, and then click Add an Email. As you can see, we've already set up the sender name to send their email address. We just need to set up the subject. I'm just going to choose this template right here. Click Create, and to change the text, all you have to do is click on the text and then you can change it. You can write on it whatever you want. Now I'll copy the body of the email here. So I'm going to click on this link and add the link here. So I'm going to choose this option right here to add the link to the text. I'm going to take the affiliate offer link and paste it here, and then I'm going to hit this save. After that, click the top right corner to save the changes and then exit. Now that we have our first email, click Save. To publish it and make it live, click the green Publish button right here. When you click it, it's going to ask you for some information. It says delay before sending email. What it means is, when someone signed up for your email, do you want it to be sent right away, or do you want any delay? For now, I'll just put 0 because I don't want any delay, and I'll click Publish. So now the email is published, and the only thing missing right now is traffic, which I will address in my next video. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.